In the heart of Mason, Ohio, where community meets progress, one name stands out for all your cleanup needs. Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati is your trusted partner for hassle-free cleanup solutions. We offer premier dumpster rental in Mason, Ohio, and beyond. Every project is unique, with its challenges and requirements. That's why at Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, we offer a wide range of dumpster sizes to fit any project, big or small. Whether you're renovating your dream home, landscaping your backyard oasis, or managing a construction site, we understand the mess that comes with progress. Our team at Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati is here to turn that chaos into order. We ensure you feel secure, satisfied, and confident in our services. At Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, we value your time. That's why we offer prompt delivery and flexible pickup options to fit seamlessly into your busy schedule. And let's not forget about our competitive pricing. We offer affordable rates without compromising on quality. So why wait? Let Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati be your cleanup partner and experience the difference firsthand. Our process is simple yet effective. To reserve your dumpster, call us at 513-586-8313 or visit our website at www.dumpsterdaddycincy.com. Dumpster Rental Mason, OH. Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, cleaning up your mess, one dumpster at a time.